We're a team of funeral professionals, scientists, and software engineers. We have a completely different approach to the traditional funeral industry. For the past 2 years, we've been developing an environmentally friendly alternative to burial and cremation. We call this process soil transformation. Over 30 days, we gently transform a body into nutrient-rich soil. Families choose how much soil they'd like returned, to scatter or plant, and the remaining soil is sent to conservation land that we acquire, to restore and protect for future generations. The process is natural, carbon neutral, and takes place in our state-of-the-art soil transformation facilities. Whether you need our services now, imminently, or you're planning for the future, we're here to help, and we've built an industry-leading online experience for your convenience. Make arrangements and sign legal documents online, receive real-time status updates each step of the way, and create beautiful obituaries to share with family and friends. If you need any help at all, we're just a phone call away, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Learn more at earthfuneral.com.